So it works like this. A typical class of, let's say, 20 students would be split into 4 small groups, and 2 of the groups will each learn with 2 live teachers online. The other 2 groups would learn on the online learning platform. Halfway through the class, the groups swap over, so every little group gets its turn to learn with a live teacher. These small groups are a great size for learning a language, as the teacher can pay specific attention to each of the students. The online learning platform works in 2 ways, so either it is to help the students prepare for the upcoming live lesson, or to reinforce what they have just learned in the live lesson. For this, we use Zoom as our technology partner, which means a simple, clear, and reliable communication between teachers and students.
In primary school, we didn't really get the chance to learn so many languages. We only had French, and we didn't really get taught it a lot. So I was really excited to start learning Mandarin because it's widely spoken around the world. And so far, I really like learning on primary school Chinese because it lets you learn at home as well, and it lets you really engage in the learning.
My teacher is called Mr. Chow, and he is really nice. He's definitely supportive, and he really helps if you're not sure on something, and he's really clear in what you're learning.
I think actually as a teacher, for me, I don't really feel a lot of difference, and somehow I even feel it's a bit better for me to focus on every one of my students. So in classroom, as we all know, when we turn it around to go and reach for the board and do some learning, we will pay more focus unconsciously to one student rather than the other. But then inside in this Zoom app, where we can see every student as a little square box and see their faces there, so we can pay attention to each one of them while giving out our materials.
So the lesson starter is about culture, something to get the students interested. The dialogue introduces everyday Chinese that students can then use in breakout rooms with their classmates. The fun and imaginative games appeal to all abilities. The gameplay is strong, and students will try to get the best times and scores. Characters are taught using stroke order on a smooth and simple platform. The lesson is wrapped up with quiz time, a very exciting game show field.
For longer terms, I think we can teach through beginners all the way to GCSE, which is a very good continuous progress for students.
你好, let's get ready to learn Mandarin.